You recycle, right? Well, this year when it comes time to start your spring cleaning, make sure your items are being recycled by getting a dumpster from Willimantic Waste paper. At Willimantic Waste, we do our best to recycle at least 90% of the contents placed in our dumpsters. We sort and separate all of your items to make sure we're doing our part to preserve our environment. We can also help you find the right size dumpster for your next residential or commercial project. We have small, easy to maneuver, top loading dumpsters that are great for small projects. These dumpsters can be delivered to small driveways and hard to get spaces. We also have larger walk-in roll-off dumpsters, great for home renovations, basement and garage cleanouts, roofing jobs, and whatever else you can think of. Give one of our dumpster specialists a call at 860-423-4527 or go to our website, www.williewaste.com to rent your dumpster. Willimantic Waste, recycling today for a better tomorrow.